In this short video, I'll show you how to make thumbnail in Photoshop. Step 1. Import. Drag portrait into a 1280.720 document. Use high-quality imagery for best results. Step 2. Prep. Apply camera raw filter and duplicate layer Ctrl-J. Desaturate the copy with hue saturation. Step 3. Texture. Add a money texture image and set blending mode to overlay. Adjust brightness, contrast to make the texture pop. Step 4. Layout. Place a currency bill image in the center. Remove the original historical figure, Benjamin Franklin. Step 5. Blend. Add a ripped paper asset between the bill and the portrait. Use drop shadow on the paper to create depth. Step 6. Finalize. Add vignette and final color correction. Use distortion from the optics section for a dramatic look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.